Hi, I am Ritam Padui, and we are excited to share our project Unwavering the OTT King. And in this talk, we will show you how we use data analysis and machine learning to uncover which OTT platform dominates at the Sustainability University and what that means for sponsorship decisions. Now we are going to the next slide. They are called agenda. Here you can see there are 6 types of agenda we can show on the screen. First one, the challenge. Why sponsorship needs data? That's a challenging agenda. And data and methodology called how we collected data and prepared our data. Key feature analysis, as we say, what students' habits we focused on. That's also a key feature analysis that we have to careful about. Predictive modeling, how machine learning help us and how it can help in the future and unearthing the OTT king and which OTT platform use the most. It is very precise understanding by machine learning. Now the key findings, the which OTT is the topmost place and at the Sustainability University. And there are some strategic impact also. Now going to the third slide, it's called the challenge and navigating the student streaming and landscape. Here you can say it explains that sponsors needs to know where students spend their streaming time so they can put their money and efforts in the right place. And now we can say the study collected the survey data from 100 students, clean it up, and we used a computer module called Random Forest to predict each student's favorite OTT platform and checking its accuracy and other standard measures. Now we can go for the fourth slide, data and methodology. And we can say now researchers looked at student favorite movie or series genre, how often they binge watch and they were weekly screening time to understand OTT preference and how they are actually see the movie like thriller or action, and that's also a very understandable thinking by OTT choices. And now we are going to the fifth slide, that's called key features analysis, understanding student preferences. That is a basically students are thriller and action movie along with the crime and anime series are most watched by SNU students and influence which platform they prefer. Like top movie genre are identifying preferred movie genre like thriller, action, comedy offers insights into content preferences that drive platform choices. And the main finding is that Netflix is the top OTT platform at SNU, as students watch its content the most and matches their favorite genre and viewing habits. Thank you. Now, our next 5 slides are explained by Obik Shamanto. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ovik Shamanta. So this is data distribution. Here, movie thrillers, action lead, student like fast-paced, high shakes content. Series, crime is top, followed by anime. These tell us students prefer immersive, suspenseful stories. Content is like Netflix, very strong it. How many of you being cringe series of anime in Netflix? Here we know about these pie charts are. Moving to the next slide, prediction modeling. Here we learn about the accuracy, key observation, challenges, and here we see the Netflix is the most used platform in our college and student prefer most. In the next slide, key finding Netflix dominance, because the model metrics, particularly for Netflix, indicate that is the most consistently identified and used platform among the student population. And the immersive and more vast library across preference genre like thriller, action, crime, the reputation of binge-worthy series align perfectly with students' viewing habits. So, in our prediction, the Netflix as the top OTT choice. The next slide, strategy impact. Here we get target outreach, content align, optimized investment, competitive edge. Example, think of a brand hosting a Netflix crime night with students high engage guaranteed. In the next slide, the recommendation and future enhancement sponsorship recommendations. Here we know that Netflix is the most commonly used in our college. Students would love that, and the partnership with Netflix helps the company more profitable and explore more features that helps to develop the company. That's it. Thank you. We appreciate your time and attention to our findings. If you have any query, please feel free to ask.